venturing out. Headed to Tucky.
Tucky time.
Tucky time.
Already in Tucky.
Good old bloody ears. We got bloody ears here. Poor guy has bloody ears. We're gonna post a link for a Zelle or a GoFundMe if you want to help out with his bloody ears. It's gonna be quite a big medical bill and we can't afford it. So every penny can help, you guys. So we'll post the link. Please like and subscribe. God bless. So we are not even out of the state. We've already got some peed pants. And a coffee fell out. Let me see. This fell out. So that bottom don't fall out. Boom. Okay. All right, thank you. I think I'll pass. Thank you. Well, really excited, but they don't have cheese pizza or cheese Alfredo. So we're gonna move along. All right, guys, what do you think? We just made our stop here at the Edgerton Oasis. Thoughts?
It's good because I got my favorite sucker, but now we're going to Buc-ee's. I got my favorite sucker too. And I got my favorite sucker. We're going to Buc-ee's, maybe.
Yeah, in 500 miles. Okay, so we made it to Murray, Kentucky. We got to the lot. We kind of passed out there for a while. My kid woke me up shouting, "Oh, I have to poop, I have to poop." Then I realized, boy, I have to poop too. And then I realized I have no idea where we are. We had nowhere to go potty. Long story short, I've been driving 12 hours. We got to a Quality Inn. This place just had like the best shower of my life. 6 out of 5 stars. All right, so we have arrived and it looks like this is us. Kind of straight back through here. We got this right here. We got some fresh daffodils in the gutter. And we're gonna see what we can make happen. Okay, so we're coming in here. Somebody just cut this down.
Yeah, what, dude?
Oh, this is our spot. This is gonna be easy.
Maybe what?
So I'm gonna say this big tree is like our perimeter line. Anything this way.
I wonder why that was cut then. Yeah, look, there's a bunch of stuff cut there, isn't there? Somebody was just in here cutting.
We got a boat. Yeah.
Why is somebody in here cutting stuff?
Why do we have a boat in the back? So down here, everything kind of has that southern plantation look to it. Every house is kind of a little plantation, pillars on the front. So the epitome of antebellum South, the plantation style housing and buildings. Another plantation building. Cutie.
Go the other way with it. Oh, it hurts when you do that. Okay, don't do that.
Come on, Bass Fishing Productions would just jump right in.
There's an eel hole.
An eel hole?
Yeah, right up there. See it in the sand?
Okay.
Dad, look, it's red sand.
Let me see you guys. Guppy, Clive.
Can we get in?
Really?
It's in my mouth.
Well, we're here in Paris, Tennessee. Very antebellum, south. I'm sorry, Bugs, you're on me. Okay, you guys, we're gonna follow this artwork through the alleyway. Nope, nope, nope. Get this way. It goes back this way and back into this alley over here.
There are Pokemon cats here.
And I guess you come up here the other side of the probation office. One way, do not enter. And then it starts with this.
Dad, I just found a secret key on something.
Hold it. Where was it?
It's right on that.
Yeah, it probably goes for something for here.
No, hold on to it. It wasn't for there.
Yes. I did it. I found it. I found it.
You can save it. Give it to Guppy if she found it. Let me see the key.
Dad,
Give it to
me.
Guppy now.
She said she wanted it. I tried to get
Why'd you throw it on the ground?
I didn't. I tried to put it
I have it
in
on
the
film. I'm showing Grandma.
I tried to give it to her. Yeah, well, I'm telling Grandma that you're stealing keys from things.
Cute.
I can see if it goes so slow.
Shut up, Arthur. Good Lord.
This key might work.
No, it's upside down.
You're going to try that key in every door now until you find the right one?
Oh my god.
What the?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Joined our route.
I'm not playing
Jen.
like
Just letting you know.
Yeah, look how funny. Look at that. It says makes children and adults as bad as kids.
All right, we're headed across over there. You see how it continues? Slow down. This is called Back Alley Paris.
What? No.
And there's the icon up there. There's even some old painting on these walls here, Coca-Cola.
There's a mini thing over there that's flushed by that thing. I think
We're making our way that way.
There's fish everywhere.
oh, I see Paris. I'm going to find it.
That thing's painted, and then you kind of cut across to the next alley. Gosh, the last thing we need is you breaking a $1 million Paris mural. Olive, baby, if that comes down,
Yeah?
don't.
Why?
You two better get your butts back here.
It goes in?
I'm trying to unlock it.
Give it a twist. Let's see.
Okay,
Let me try.
they're gonna get in trouble.
All right, let's try the next one. Come on.
No, you guys quit trying doors.
And so then they have these little paintings over on this side, kind of in between.
Look at the lady with like the fire hand.
Oh, wait a second. And these have a little placard, too.
Oh, look at the guns too. You're stepping in. Human dropping.
Guppy, what is this? No, put that down.
What does he do? I mean, God. How does he do this?
Anyway, some of the art continues.
There's no more art.
Is this the end? So,
No, it's not the end.
oh, yeah, it's a brick hole. The only ones I want are from that old building that say Dixie. Oh, are you kidding me?
Like, ours almost. Kind of.
Yeah, yeah, it's about the same era. It's a very old building.
Probably.
Let's go to the black beer. There's a pattern. Here's black chocolates.
There's not with that. No way here. Look at how much buns stuff there is.
Dad, there's the black fish. We have to get there. No, first we're going in here.
It's open.
Dad, you can't.
That's pretty cool though.
Oh, this is still functioning. You can hear it go off. Listen.
This is so
Mom, look how they did their emergency escape. They just tacked the ladder up.
That's how they get in and out of their house.
Yep. Makes children fat as pigs.
Nothing.
Oh, there's.
Dad, can we open this? Dad, can I open that? It's the Old Town Jail too.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that's the Old Town Jail. That's the Old Town Jail 3. Old Town Jail 1. This is Old Town Jail 2. Daddy, look at how smooth these are. Look how much.
Oh, there it is. There's the button.
For what?
Push it.
Oh, sweet. Delivery here.
Olive can get it.
Do I do it right now?
Sure.
Subway.
Okay, well, I don't know if that's what that means.
This. Oh. Olive, what?
No, wait, no. It says something plus K with a heart around it.
Oh, I stepped on his toe?
Oh, look. Subway. Oh, can we go down
That
there?
ladder looks very safe.
That looks very safe.
Is this where Subway used to go?
No. All right, CJ, grab one of these flags. We're going to cross the street here. Yep.
Look at those pants.
All right, here we go.
I need one. I need one. Why do we have to bring it?
Have you guys ever seen something like that?
Oh, I love it.
It's actually fun.
Like this little building. So cute.
Look at that. I do it.
Oh, it's like-
Build a plate. Let's go in it.
Guppy, stay right here.
Daddy, come on, let's go walk in there too.
Yep.
We can only touch one easy. I'm just wanting an ice cream. I'm just wanting
What if they're all straight?
All right, Jump.
Oh, okay.
Oops, got a little margarita dust on there. There we go. So what do you guys think?
Very good.
Nice. No, you're good, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good, buddy.
whatever underneath my leg.
Guppy, is it better with your tooth out now? Eat a lot easier now?
These people, you go to Kentucky just to eat this, okay? And then go back to where you live.
I feel like the chicken has a bit of an Asian vibe to it. A little bit like the cooking of it.
Yeah.
The stewing.
That's what I'm eating.
Quit. Well, there's no more holes to slide it.
All right, give me some turtle footage. What do we got?
It's a Ninja Turtle Leonardo. So we just found a turtle on the road.
Except I don't think this is a painted one because the painted ones don't have like those like ruffles on the back.
Yeah, so there's leeches
Or
on
the
the back,
frogs.
so we don't want to get hurt. So we're keeping him away, but we just found him on the road. So he's only a baby right now. Okay?
This is not a baby. I'm gonna name it Leech.
What's the belly look like?
Let's name,
Not a painted turtle.
Let me see.
let's name him.
It wouldn't be like that on it.
Let's name him Baby
Dad,
Puma.
you're gonna make me drop it.
What? Okay, here. Let's take him over here and release him.
Well then, rip the leeches off.
No, I ain't playing with his leeches.
Let's name him Baby Peanut.
No, I'm.
Put it right here. Put it right here.
Let's name him Baby Peanut.
No, let's watch him leave and see if he leaves.
Let's go look in the house window.
All right, we're getting some grade A KFC.
We got out of the bathroom and tried walking down there because I forgot it was over here to get out of that bathroom.
Cowgirl up. That's Olive.
Shopping with your husband is like a hunting game with the